Hi, this is Danny. Welcome to this week's functional movement lesson. I'm here in the Dojiva online studio. This is where I teach fitness classes online, posture classes, flexibility classes, mindfulness meditations, and everything in between to do with health, longevity, and feeling energized. For today, we're going to focus on a squat, a functional squat. So I invite you to join in with me. I'm going to weight transfer to my left. If you rest your hands on your pelvis, where the middle fingers rest is about the hip joint. So we're going to hip hinge. The knee hasn't bent very much yet. Spine still in its natural position, so there's no flexing, no tucking under of the pelvis. You've weighted onto the left, you've taken the hip back, embodying the natural curves of the spine, and you begin to sink down. Push the ground away to rise up. Let's repeat. You take the hip joint back, it's called a hip hinge. The knee begins to bend slowly. Your weight goes back onto the heel, the whole foot in fact, but include the heel. Watch out for your heel lifting with the weight on the forefoot. Go ahead and push the ground away to come up. You can relax in between if you want to, but you weight transfer, heavy, strong, right on that foot, planted. You take the pelvis back. Now, if you were picking something up off a coffee table, you're ready to lift that, as opposed to flexing the back. What if we were to pick something up from the floor? Weight transfer, take the hip hinge, glute max, quadriceps, you go a little deeper, you lift, you push the ground away to rise up, there's your box, weight transfer to move it over. Just to balance out, let's do a few on the right side. So you weight shift, take the hip joint back, weight back to the heel, easy shoulders, relaxed eyes, jaw, neck, push the ground away to rise up. You can come back each time, or from a functional way to pick something up to more of a workout, you go a little deeper and stay low. And you might do 30 to 60 seconds here, training these quadriceps, glute max, before you rise up. Not just the function of the movement, but for good metabolic conditioning and good muscle tone, good strength training. Okay, let's rise up and shake out. That's it. Thanks for joining in with today's functional movement lesson. If you'd like more of this and also have access to meditations and flexibility videos and relaxation audios and my healthy eating tips, then please take me up on an offer for a 10-day free trial of the Dojiva online membership. Just click on the link below. Thanks for listening and take care.